Hi, so if you are Aries, Sun, Moon, or Rising signs, this message may be for you. Take what resonates and always be true to yourself. What is going on for Aries right now? We have the Ace of Discs, the Nine of Discs, the Devil card. We have a couple of major arcanas for you guys. Okay, so we have the Four of Wands on the bottom and the Aeon on the top, which is Judgment. So what is going on with you guys? The Ace of Discs. So you could be trying to figure out solutions to certain things that are going on in your life. This could be solutions, monetary solutions, financial solutions. This can also mean wellness, solutions for health, maybe solutions to help others, solutions to help self, with the Ace of Discs here. Some of you guys could be looking for guidance, spiritual guidance. Some of you guys could just be looking for guidance in the decisions that you want to make. There's a solution here. And we have the Nine of Discs gain. So I feel like you're not feeling this right now. The Nine of Discs is like, you could be usually doing things to pamper yourself or take care of yourselves, or, you know, if you need to do something, get it, but you could be not feeling so free to do this right now. And this could be because you're trying to figure out a solution to something. So there could be something that is interfering with that. The Devil card. There's a solution to something here. The Devil is about our limitations. So what is limiting you guys, Aries? So this is all about figuring out what's blocking. This could be what the solution is about here. This is the goal, is getting over this block here. So there is something you guys do want to resolve, figure out, so that you can have this freedom here again, or whatever this is. You could be thinking about what's healthy for you, what's better financially for you, what's better energetically for you. Maybe even a job, like what's better for you guys. The Hermit card. So I feel like you guys could have been feeling not like yourselves lately, more quiet than usual, maybe a little more tired. That's not what this card means, but this card usually means that you're going off on your own, and maybe you're thinking about something, maybe you're contemplating and trying to figure something out here, looking for an answer. But it's kind of like, it's the Hermit card. He's going alone somewhere with his little lamp and in the night, and he's, you know, going to find some answers. He's going to sit, meditate, and figure things out. So there's a solution, something here. You're not feeling like you usually do about something, and there's a block here that you guys want to take care of, move on from. So you've been seeking something here. And then you have the Death card, which is rebirth. It's a big change. It's about welcoming change. So you guys could be planning on doing something different financially, materialistically, maybe even for health wise, for the self, to take care of yourselves. You could be doing something different, maybe eating different, maybe exercising, or getting back to self-care on a emotional, physical, or spiritual level, or maybe even more than one of those things combined. The Prince of Cups. I think that this is going to bring you back to more feeling like yourselves. You could be looking more for, you might be feeling better. So the Prince of Cups is about happiness. It's about playfulness, being happy, feeling good, romantic, charming, playfulness. And so I feel like maybe you guys don't feel like yourselves, and whatever change you're going to do, make, whatever you're thinking about, whatever you're trying to figure out here, solution, it might bring more of this in the near future, because this is a near future card. Bringing you back to yourselves, being able to enjoy things again. This is the Tower. So you're changing something here. There's a change here. You got the death. You got the rebirth. Big change. You have the Tower. Something is not working out. So whatever the solution is, you guys are going to, you're in the process of taking care of this right now, I feel. So, and of course, take what resonates, because everyone's situation is different. I feel like you guys are in the process of, you're done with doing things a certain way, and you want something better. You want to better yourselves or take care of yourselves in this particular situation in your life. And I feel like you guys are doing this now, like major change, like right away. The Knight of Discs. I mean, you got discs here, you got discs here, you got discs here. The Knight of Discs. You could be looking for professional advice around you guys, or researching what you want to know. So whether it's eating better, healthy, whether it's seeing doctors or doing your research, or a nutritionist, or a therapist, a place to exercise or something like that. Whatever it is, you could be looking for a professional to help, or you could be researching for knowledge in the area of your situation that you like to change and make better for self, and could be self. And also, when you take care of yourself, it helps the others around you guys too, because you can be fully present in all the areas, you know, in your life. And then we have the Queen of Cups. This is on your mind, so you could be thinking of, you know, what did I do? You know, you could be thinking of, what did I do, and what are you going to change? So there could be things here. You could be thinking of, how did I do this in the past, and now I have to do this way, because maybe whatever was in the past it's not working right now. So this is about experience with things that make you happy. It's about emotional happiness, and so sometimes when we're emotional, we can do things to make us feel better that might not be the best thing. We could be eat wrong, you know, maybe we can not be motivated to exercise, or we might spend a little more money or something like that. So you guys could be thinking about things, and there's something here that you guys want to change. And the Queen of Cups she's sensitive, she's also intuitive, and she cares. She's very caring about others, and sometimes she feels alone. So you could be feeling a little bit not like yourselves. Maybe you're feeling a little bit alone. And I feel like you guys are thinking about, what do I need to do to fix this? Whatever this is that you guys want to fix and change. Whether it's financially, physically, whatever, in whatever way that you need right now in your life. It's on your mind. So we have the Eight of Swords here. This card's called Interference, and what this is really, it's about self-doubt, and it's about seeing things in a limiting way instead of seeing things in a limitless way, powerful way, in a way of saying, I can change, I can have hope, I can make a plan, I can do something. So this is like a little bit of a challenge in the near future for you guys not to go back to that place. If you guys are thinking of making change, to stay determined, and being careful of how you talk to yourself. Really, this is really about how you think about yourself, how you speak to yourself. You know, don't say things like, oh, well, I'm lazy. No, you know, you don't, that's a choice. You know, it's like, I don't need to be, you know, or to say, oh, I'm never gonna do this, or I'm never gonna keep up with that, or, you know, that's just how we talk to ourselves. And the brain, the mind is so powerful. It believes what we say. So it's about changing those thoughts to, I have control, I can do this. And then we have the Four of Wands, and we have the Aeon. So this is huge. This is about completion and being able to get to a place where, you know, that goal, that step, like the next step, getting to a goal. And this is like, this is the Judgment card, the Aeon. You have a major transformation here. You guys are, I feel like you guys are going to take this on. Like you guys are going to, I feel like most of you guys are going to be very determined and stick to whatever this is, the new way of taking care of yourself here, because you have two very positive cards here. Major arcanas. You have life-changing major arcanas here, and it has to do with block. There's fear block. There's something here. This is what holds you prisoner to not being able to, you know, do the things that you want to do. So you're dealing with it. You're making a change here, and you're figuring something out. Major arcana. You're going through a rebirth. It's like ending of something and the beginning of something else. Major change here. Ending of something and bringing in some enlightenment, some knowledge, and something that's better for you. Transformation, 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 change from things that are not good for you. The situation. And then you have this positive card here. So it's all about really being careful with how you speak to yourself, what you're telling yourself, and staying positive, feeling your power, that you are the one that's in control, and making the choices. So I wish you guys well, Aries, and you're figuring things out. So take care. I wish you well.